today's story is about this one little boy whose name was Kartikeyan Iyer. Kartikeyan was a good boy in his studies. He used to love to play football and he also did a lot of singing. But Kartikeyan Iyer had one very bad habit. And you know what was that bad habit? That bad habit was that he never liked to share any of his things. If he had a chocolate and his brother would ask him, he would say, "No, no, it's mine." If some days some friend of his would ask for his some book, he would say, "No, no, mera hai." Or if sometimes he had some nice food to eat, he would not want to give it to anybody. His mama, his papa, his teachers, everybody used to tell him that this is very bad. You must be a good boy and you must share. But he was never, never, never ready, and he would always want to keep everything for himself. Now, because of this habit, all of his friends, instead of calling him Kartikeyan Iyer, they started calling him Kanjus. They started saying that this boy is Kanjus. He is not giving us anything. Kanjus means somebody who is very selfish, somebody who does not like to share. But he was still not bothered. He would still not share. And he just remained as it is. Now, one day it so happened that his favorite uncle from London came with a very special bag in which there were lots and lots of toys. So Kanjus was very happy. He said, "Wow, so many toys." And uncle said that this is not any ordinary bag. In this bag, there will be a new toy every single day. Kanjus was so happy. He said, "Wow, there will be different toys every day. Means I can play with so many new toys every day, uncle." Uncle said, "Yes, you can play and play and play. But you have to remember one thing, Kanjus, that if you do not play with some of the toys, they will not like it. Until then, they will not let you sleep." Kanjus said, "How is that possible? I love to play and I will play with all my toys every single day." So now you know what happened? Every day from the bag, he got some new toys. One day he got this nice little truck. He spent lot of time playing in the truck. Then he got some other things. He got some wooden toys. Someday he got some more cars. Someday he got some blocks. One day he got a really big car. And he was so excited about this big car that he kept on playing till it was dinner time. And he forgot that he had to play with the other toys. After eating his food, he was very tired. And when he came to sleep, you know what happened? All the toys with which he had not played were all on his bed. And they started talking. They said, "Kanjus, Kanjus, you have not played with us. Till you do not play with us, you cannot go to sleep." Ah, Kanju said, "Oh my God, these toys can talk also." And he had to quickly play with these other old toys. And only after he played with them, he could sleep. Next day, again, there were some more toys that came out of the bag. He enjoyed this one, so he started playing with that. And it was time for him to do his some homework. But on his table, where he had to study for all the toys with which he had not yet played, he said, "Baapre, when will I finish my homework?" And he first had to play with those toys and then he could finish his homework. As a result of that, Kanjus was late and his teacher shouted at him. Again, next day, some more toys came out of the bag, some more. And the more the toys came, he had to play with more and more and more toys. And now he was getting really disturbed. He said, how will I be able to finish all my work? I cannot eat. I cannot take a bath. I cannot sleep. So he came up with an idea. You know what he did? He said, let me call my friends to play with my toys. And his friends were very surprised. He said, Kanjus is calling us. Kanjus never likes to share. How come he's calling us? So they all came to first see that were they having a dream? But no, Kanjus had laid out all the toys and everybody was so happy to see them. And they all started playing together. Some children played with the car, some children played with the small little trucks, some other children played with the blocks, somebody played with the wooden toys, and that way all the toys were played with. And the next day, again the friends came, again new toys came out, and everybody was happy. Even Kanjus was happy because he had shared his toys and he had enough time to play with the toys he liked, enough time to sit and do his homework, enough time to even sleep. And he was very happy that all his friends were also happy. So we learn from this story that sharing is caring. And the moment we share, we are even more happier.